Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet to support life. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, primarily in oceans. The average temperature of Earth is around 59 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius. Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases. The Earth's rotation on its axis takes approximately 24 hours, creating day and night. It takes about 365.25 days for Earth to orbit the Sun, which defines our year. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, standing at 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, above sea level. Earth's inner core is as hot as the surface of the Sun, with temperatures around 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit 5,500 degrees Celsius. The magnetic field of Earth protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. The Moon is gradually moving away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, per year. Earth's atmosphere extends up to about 6,200 miles, 10,000 kilometers, above sea level, but thins rapidly with altitude. The oldest rocks found on Earth are estimated to be over 4 billion years old and were discovered in Canada. There are approximately 3 trillion trees on Earth according to recent studies. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down due to tidal forces caused by the Moon's gravity. Earth's equator is about 24,901 miles, 40,075 kilometers, long. Earth's biosphere supports an estimated number of living organisms, between 5 and 10 million species. More than half of Earth's population lives in urban areas as of recent statistics. Earth's temperature has increased by approximately 1 degree Fahrenheit 0.6 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century due to climate change. The Kola superdeep borehole in Russia is the deepest artificial point on Earth at over 7 miles, 12 kilometers. Earth's magnetic field has reversed itself many times throughout history. This phenomenon occurs every few 100,000 years on average. The total mass of Earth is approximately 5.97 times 10 to the power of 24 kg. Earth's atmosphere contains about 3,000 billion tons of water vapor at any given time. Approximately 90% of Earth's volcanic activity occurs underwater. The Earth's rotation causes the Coriolis effect, which influences weather patterns and ocean currents. The deepest part of the Earth's crust is found at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, where pressure can exceed 1,000 times atmospheric pressure. Earth's gravity varies slightly across its surface due to factors like altitude and geological formations. Earth has experienced 5 major mass extinctions in its history, the most famous being the extinction of dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Over 70% of Earth's freshwater is trapped in glaciers and ice caps. Earth's atmosphere protects us from meteoroids, with most burning up before reaching the surface. There are more than 1 billion cars on Earth today, contributing significantly to carbon emissions. Earth's tilt and orbit create varying lengths of days and nights throughout different seasons. The average depth of Earth's oceans is about 12,080 feet, 3,682 meters. The layers of Earth consist of the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Each has distinct properties and compositions. The longest mountain range on Earth is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, stretching over 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers. Earth's atmosphere was formed from volcanic outgassing and by impacts from comets and asteroids early in its history. More than half of Earth's oxygen production comes from phytoplankton in oceans rather than terrestrial plants. The Great Lakes contain roughly 1/5 of all fresh surface water on Earth by volume. Earth experiences an average of around 20 earthquakes every minute globally. Some scientists believe that life on Earth may have originated from extraterrestrial sources, like comets or meteorites. This theory is called panspermia. Earth's biodiversity contributes significantly to human well-being through ecosystem services like pollination and water purification. Earth is the only planet in our solar system not named after a mythological figure. The average speed of Earth's rotation at the equator is about 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,040 miles per hour. There are approximately 7 billion people living on Earth as of recent estimates. The Ice Age, which lasted for about 2.4 million years, significantly shaped Earth's landscape and ecosystems. The ozone layer, located in the stratosphere, protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Earth's largest living structure is the Great Barrier Reef, which can be seen from space. Water covers nearly 97% of Earth's water supply in saltwater oceans, only about 3% is freshwater. The Earth has a natural greenhouse effect that keeps its surface temperature suitable for life. There are over 1,000 species of birds on Earth that migrate seasonally to find food and breeding grounds. Earth's continents drift apart at an average rate of about 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, per year due to plate tectonics. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus in Oregon's Malheur National Forest that spans over 2,385 acres, 965 hectares. Earth's atmosphere thins out rapidly above the troposphere and becomes almost non-existent at altitudes above 100 kilometers, 62 miles. A supermoon occurs when a full moon coincides with its closest approach to Earth in its elliptical orbit. The amount of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere has increased by more than 40% since the Industrial Revolution. Wind patterns on Earth help distribute heat from the equator to the poles through ocean currents and atmospheric circulation. Freshwater accounts for only about 2 to 3% of all water on Earth, most is trapped in glaciers or underground aquifers. The Sun accounts for more than 99% of the total mass in our solar system. Earth makes up less than 1,000th of it. There are approximately 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. Earth orbits one of them, Sol or our Sun. The phenomenon known as Earthshine allows us to see part of the dark side of the moon illuminated by sunlight reflecting off Earth. Finally, despite being called Blue Planet, Earth appears white from space due to clouds reflecting sunlight. Earth has a natural satellite, the Moon, which is about 1/6 the size of Earth. The Earth's atmosphere is approximately 300 miles, 480 kilometers, thick, but most weather occurs within the first 10 miles, 16 kilometers. The average density of Earth is about 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter, making it one of the densest planets in the solar system. Earth's rotation causes day and night, while its revolution around the Sun results in seasonal changes. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by movements in its molten iron outer core. Approximately 80% of Earth's species are found in tropical rainforests, yet they cover only about 6% of the planet's surface. Tectonic plates interact at their boundaries, leading to earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and mountain formation. The Earth's core is primarily composed of iron and nickel, with the outer core being liquid and the inner core solid. Earth's atmosphere protects life from meteoroids, with around 17 meteors hitting Earth every day on average. Earth's deserts are classified as areas that receive less than 10 inches, 25 centimeters, of precipitation annually. The biodiversity hotspot known as Madagascar is home to around 5% of all species on Earth, many of which are found nowhere else. The Earth's rotation causes a slight bulging at the equator, making it about 26 miles, 42 kilometers, wider at the equator than at the poles. The phenomenon of aurora borealis, northern lights, occurs when charged particles from the Sun collide with Earth's magnetic field. Earthquakes can occur anywhere in the world but are most common around tectonic plate boundaries. The temperature of Earth's mantle ranges from about 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit 700 degrees Celsius near the crust to over 7,200 degrees Fahrenheit 4,000 degrees Celsius near the core. The largest earthquake ever recorded was a magnitude 9.5 in Chile in 1960. Over time, Earth's continents have shifted positions due to tectonic activity. They have been joined together as a supercontinent known as Pangaea in the past. Earth has been hit by asteroids numerous times throughout its history. Some impacts created craters that are still visible today. Earth is unique among planets in our solar system for having liquid water on its surface, the essential ingredient for life as we know it. Earth experiences an average of about 1 to 2 large meteor impacts every year that can cause significant damage. A single drop of seawater can contain millions of microorganisms, showcasing Earth's rich biodiversity even at microscopic levels. The concept of Earth Overshoot Day marks when humanity's demand for ecological resources exceeds what Earth can regenerate in a year.